Hi, welcome to the Morrison County Veterans Service Office. Myself, Kathy Marshick, Luann Jarvis, and Jim Sigler are here to assist you in connecting with your benefits that you have earned through the Department of Defense or the Department of Veterans Affairs. To get started, we need your discharge paperwork and proof of service. What we need are your DD-214 if you had any active duty, or your National Guard form, NGB 22 if you were National Guard and were discharged from the National Guard. And those individuals should have their DD-214s as well. Also, if you have any active duty orders, those are also very helpful. But to get started with anything through the VA, we definitely got to have proof that you actually served in the military. And we will be more than happy to help you. If you don't have those documents, we definitely know how to get those forms for you. Who is eligible for services? Anyone who has served on active duty, reserve, or National Guard in the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, Space Force, Merchant Marines, and Army Nurse Corps. If you have served in any of those branches of service or are a dependent of an individual who served, we are here to help you connect with the benefits that you may be entitled to. What we can help you with? Service-connected compensation. If you were hurt or injured in service or have an illness that was incurred or caused by the military, we can help you connect to the benefits that you deserve that accompany those injuries or illnesses. We can help with widow's pension or pension for veterans who are low income. We help with burial benefits, VA health care and referral, crisis assistance, homelessness, financial assistance and resources if you end up in those situations, employment guidance, education benefits and assistance, transportation, adaptive equipment, automated programs. We can help you navigate through those so that you can better serve and help yourself through all the things that you can work with through the Department of Defense or the Department of Veterans Affairs. We can help find legal assistance for you if needed, special licensing. Some people are eligible for property tax exemptions and special ID cards, discharge upgrades, finding your records, life insurance, certify your DD-214. So if you go get your driver's license and need your DD-214 certified, we are the people that help you with those. We can help navigate through travel information and discounts that are out there for veterans. We can help with home loans and also find different health insurance if need be or senior linkage programs for you. Thank you. And I hope this video helped you prepare when you come to see us. Give us a call at 320-632-0290 if you have questions, and thank you for your service.